Here's how to redefine what you think about aging muscles. Have you ever wondered why you might start losing muscle as early as your 30s? This is why so many people suddenly find themselves weaker in their 50s and beyond. Your muscle mass can drop by 5% every decade. But just be careful, that doesn't mean you're doomed to frailty. Today we're gonna see the top 3 strategies, plus one bonus that can spark real gains even if you've never picked up a dumbbell before. Starting off with the powerhouse of nutrition, protein. Think of it like premium fuel for your body's engine, which stops running as smoothly when anabolic resistance kicks in during midlife. Aim for 1 to 1.3 grams of protein per kilogram of body weight daily. Crazy facts show that for a 200-pound person, it's just 90 to 118 grams of protein, easily met with lean meats, fish, eggs, or tofu. Next up, try this to get stronger. Progressive resistance training. 2 to 3 simple strength workouts per week, targeting legs, chest, back, and shoulders can help you level up, like you're boosting your baseline of power each time you increase the weight. Then we have the unbelievable benefits of brisk walking. Yes, a simple 30-minute walk can support better balance, ease back pain, and even elevate your mood. Finally, I'm sure you'll appreciate that solid rest is a non-negotiable. Sleep acts as your hidden recovery accelerator, where your body repairs muscle fiber and refuels energy stores. Think of these 4 strategies, protein, resistance training, walking, and restful sleep, as puzzle pieces forming a complete picture of lifelong strength and independence. You don't need extreme diets or fancy machines, just small, consistent changes that compound over time. Everybody loves an approach that's flexible, accessible, and science-backed, so why not start today? If these tips resonate with you, please like, subscribe, and share this video to help someone else reclaim their strength. Drop any questions in the comments below, and let's keep this community thriving. Together we can redefine what you think about growing older. Let's keep building muscle, staying steady on our feet, and celebrating each new birthday with a confident smile.